I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and car so the system can communicate. Plug a high-quality USB cable into your phone because data transfer is required. Charging-only cords fail. Open the Android Auto app and accept location, contacts, and notification permissions. These let maps and calls work. Turn the Urban Cruiser to ACC or start it, and make sure the infotainment system is on and unlocked so it can detect a new Android Auto connection. Once done, watch the phone for the USB mode prompt and pick File Transfer, or MTP. This enables the necessary data channel. On the Urban Cruiser display, select Android Auto when the option appears. The system sends a handshake request that you must accept on the phone. Make sure the phone is unlocked, and Android Auto remains in the foreground during the handshake, because background apps can block permissions. This ensures the car and phone exchange profile, app, and audio routing information correctly. To finish, check that audio and mic are routed to the car by launching navigation or making a quick voice command. This verifies the connection and microphone mapping. Accept any Always Allow prompts to make future connections automatic. If Android Auto does not appear, disconnect and reconnect the cable, restart the phone and the car's infotainment, and retry. If problems persist, swap to the OEM or a high-quality data cable. Most failures are caused by poor cables, blocked permissions, or locked phone screens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.